Sorry about that. Nothing. Ugh, nothing else. No, I'm not gonna say. What is with me and burping? I'm also sorry for burping during my walkthrough. I'm sorry for burping like 20 times during my walkthrough. Ugh.